the Chinese theater.
And what are you going to do in the Chinese theater?
Wait for a really long time.
Okay, it's not that long. We're like more than halfway through the line. Stop being exaggerated. So we just got off of...
Do you know how to walk straight?
Not when I'm looking sideways. So we just got off of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and I am floored. It was awesome. It was so much fun. I honestly had zero expectations going into it. I hadn't really looked up information on it. It was so cute. I thought about doing a point of view, take you along with us, but then I decided no, we're just gonna enjoy it.
Excuse me, drop the hat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I loved it. It was super cute. Really windy. Be careful if you have ears or a hat or glasses on because they might go flying. My ears almost went flying. What did you think of it?
I loved it. A lot of fun.
Man of few words. You should go. We're on our way to Smuggler's Run. Bye! Frozen lemonade with Tito's. Is it good?
Yeah.
So we have finished our day at Hollywood Studios. We only did 3 rides, but they're the ones that counted the most for us. We were not able to get a boarding group at 7 a.m. for Rise of the Resistance. And by 1 o'clock, the ride was completely shut down for the day, so no one's getting any more. So right now, we're about to take a friendship boat over to Disney's Boardwalk, so we can spend a little bit of time there before park hopping hours open, and we can head to Epcot. What do you want to do at Epcot?
Drink.
We are not drinking around the world. It is way too late in the day to start, but we're definitely going to have some drinks and have some snacks at the International Flower and Garden Festival. See you there. How is it?
Good.
It's delicious. It's, I don't even remember. It's Kahlua rum, coffee liqueur, vanilla vodka, milk, and a splash of cold brew. Just a splash, based on the taste. Just a splash. Coming along with us on our trip to Hollywood Studios and a quick hop over to Epcot. We'll be back again soon. Bye.
Bye.
Oh wait, before we leave, don't forget to, what? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell to be alerted whenever there's a new video. Bye for real.
Bye.